We have just completed our third annual successful Financial Literacy Week. We host a Financial Literacy Week during April, Financial Literacy Month here in the U.S., every year to recognize companies and organizations that are doing great work in financial literacy, to celebrate that good work, and also to talk about the challenges that are coming and ways that we might address those together. On Monday, we featured the winners of the first annual Workplace Leaders in Financial Education Award, ringing the opening bell. This award was created at the recommendation of the President's Advisory Council on Financial Literacy and was sponsored by the Society for Human Resource Management, or SHRM, and the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or the AICPA. We're happy to say that NYSE Euronext was one of those winners, recognized for our work with our own employees, as well as listed companies, including American Express and Emerson Electric's Thermodisc. On Tuesday, the opening bell included the members of the President's Advisory Council on Financial Capability. The Council advises the President on financial capability matters and makes recommendations to the President for actions that the administration can take in support of these efforts. Wednesday afternoon, we hosted our second annual Discovery Education virtual field trip to the New York Stock Exchange. This trip allows students and teachers from around the country and around the world to join us for a live, via internet, trip to the New York Stock Exchange. We visited the floor, talked to employees of the New York Stock Exchange, and had a live Q&A session with our CEO, Duncan Niederauer. And the closing bell on Wednesday featured some of our leading nonprofit partners. We partner with our nonprofits through the NYSE Euronext Foundation, both supporting them financially, but also with employee volunteers and helping them develop their programs. Thursday, we moved our celebration overseas and had some celebrations in our European locations. These included bell ringings to celebrate our global partnership with Junior Achievement, as well as an event in Amsterdam with the Ministry of Finance around their initiative called Wiser in Money Matters. And finally, on Friday, we closed out our week with a fascinating conference and bell ringing with the Center for Financial Services Innovation. The featured keynote speaker was Cyrus Amir Mokri, the recently appointed U.S. Assistant Secretary for Financial Institutions at the Treasury Department. And Cyrus spoke to us about what the administration is doing on these important topics. We were excited to have another interesting and successful Financial Literacy Week here at the Exchange. Our work on this topic, though, is not limited to 1 week. We're committed to working on financial capability throughout the year and to bringing together all of the different sectors to reach solutions that help improve the financial capability of people in our families and our communities.